Ever burned a perfect iron-shaped mark into your favorite shirt? Those dots on the iron symbol would have prevented that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Washer Fixers. This is the final part of our laundry symbol series, part 4. We've conquered washing, bleaching, and drying. If you missed any of those, go to our profile and check them out. It's all right there. But if you're caught up, now it's time to master ironing and dry cleaning symbols. If you've made it this far, you're basically a laundry genius at this point. Let's finish strong. Cool iron symbol, 110 degrees Celsius. This symbol indicates that the garment should be ironed at a low temperature around 110 degrees Celsius or 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool iron settings are typically used for delicate fabrics such as silk and nylon. Warm iron symbol, 150 degrees Celsius. The warm iron symbol suggests using a medium temperature, approximately 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This setting is suitable for synthetic fibers like polyester, rayon, or wool. It provides enough heat to remove wrinkles effectively without risking damage to these moderately heat-resistant fabrics. Hot iron symbol, 200 degrees Celsius. A hot iron symbol indicates that the garment can withstand high temperatures around 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. This setting is typically safe for durable fabrics like cotton, linen, and denim. The high heat helps to smooth out tough wrinkles and create sharp creases. No steam iron symbol. When you see the no steam iron symbol, it means you should iron the garment without using the steam function. This is often necessary for fabrics that are sensitive to moisture, or those with special finishes that could be affected by steam. Dry ironing helps prevent water spots and other moisture-related damage, while still allowing you to remove wrinkles and create a smooth appearance. Do not iron symbol. The do not iron symbol is a clear indication that the garment should not be ironed under any circumstances. And this symbol is often found on highly delicate fabrics, items with heat-sensitive embellishments, or materials that could melt or become damaged when exposed to heat. For these garments, it's best to use alternative methods for wrinkle removal, such as hanging the item in a steamy bathroom or using a fabric steamer on its lowest setting, if safe to do so. Dry cleaning symbols. Some garments are still best left to the professionals. A simple circle will tell you whether the item should be dry cleaned or not. Dry clean symbol. This symbol, represented by a plain circle, indicates that the garment should be professionally dry cleaned. Dry cleaning uses special solvents to clean clothes without water, making it ideal for delicate fabrics or items that may shrink, fade, or lose their shape in water. When you see the symbol, it's best to take the item to a professional dry cleaner rather than attempting to wash it at home. Do not dry clean symbol. A circle with an X through it means the garment should not be dry cleaned. This symbol is often found on items that may be damaged by dry cleaning solvents or processes. These garments typically need to be washed at home, following other care instructions on the label, such as hand washing or gentle machine washing. Symbol, any solvent. A circle with the letter A inside indicates that the dry cleaner can use any type of solvent in the cleaning process. The symbol is typically found on sturdy fabrics that can withstand a variety of cleaning methods. F symbol, any solvent except trichloroethylene. When you see a circle with the letter F inside, it means the garment can be cleaned with any dry cleaning solvent except trichloroethylene. P symbol, petroleum solvents only. A circle containing the letter P directs the dry cleaner to use only petroleum-based solvents in the cleaning process. This symbol is often found on garments that may be damaged by other types of dry cleaning solvents. Petroleum-based solvents are generally gentler and are used for more delicate fabrics or items with special finishes. And that's it, guys. You've officially completed the Ultimate Laundry Symbols Masterclass, brought to you by Washer Fixers. You now know every symbol on your clothing tags. No more guessing, no more ruined clothes, no more laundry disasters. If this series helped you out, smash that like button, follow and subscribe to Washer Fixers, and share this with anyone who needs it. Your mom, your roommate, everyone. If you missed any parts, go to our profile and binge them all. It's all right there. Drop a comment. Which symbol surprised you the most? Thanks for sticking with me. You're now officially a laundry symbol expert. See you in the next one. Washer Fixers out.